So in this video, I would like to introduce a STATA command that can help you to check whether your observation can be uniquely identified by specific variable. It's called isid. And this is very useful when you investigate your data set because you don't want your observation exactly the same in terms of all the variables, because such observations, some of observation could be redundant since they give the same information. And also, some variables should give you the should help you to identify uniquely the observations. For example, individual identifier. Each observation should have their unique individual identifier, the ID. So if you find the ID cannot uniquely identify specific observation, that could mean your data might have some problem. So you can use isid and duplicate these two commands to explore this issue. So isid, how to use isid is you just type isid and type the variable you want to check. So you want to check whether this variable can uniquely identify the observations. So each observation has one corresponding, just unique corresponding number for these variables. You want to check this, whether this is true or not. But it depends on your data set and also this variable, what does this variable means. You might get different results or reasonable results. For example, this variable is household serial number and our data set is the individual level data. So you should expect this household serial number will not unique identify your observation, because this is just the same household will have unique serial number, but our data set is individual level. One household could have multiple people. Okay, so for example, this household, we have 5 people living in this household. So so 5 people share the same serial number, the household serial number. So that's reasonable. So if you implement the isid serial, you will say the variable serial does not unique identify the observations. But if you change another variable, it might be unique identifier. For example, individual identifier. But in this data set, we don't have such variable, so we cannot really check this. Okay.